What's going on, y'all? My name is Bryan Kersey. I'm out of Charleston, South Carolina. I play with the 7A sticks. Um, and these collision sticks right here are just, they're fire. I like them specifically because, I mean, they're just durable. Like, they feel good in your hand. And they sound great. Also with the brand, Collision, they really look out for you as an artist, you as a customer, and they really strive to make sure that the products and the customer service that they provide are top notch, and it is, and that's another main reason why I was very, very excited to join the Collision team as an endorsee, and grow with them, help them grow, promote all their products, because they just have a great brand in general. The look of the logo, the quality of the sticks, and the customer service all around. Just a great company to be a part of. I'm ecstatic to be one of the team members. So anyways, I'm just gonna play a little drumless track. I'm in a band called Soul Frequency. It's a duo in Charleston. We play a decent amount of shows, and yeah, we're just looking to expand further after the new year and play some more. But anyways, I'm gonna play a track called Bag Scraper, one of our originals. Hope y'all dig it.